The backhoe is made up of 3 parts: the boom, the dipper and the bucket. For excavating, the backhoe loader is very efficient, digging to depths in excess of 6 meters. The JCB Backhoe Loader can perform similar tasks to a standard tracked excavator, such as lifting and precisely positioning heavy objects. But the backhoe loader is much more versatile, and it can travel around the site a lot faster. The bucket linkage has 2 pin positions for different uses. It can be set for maximum digging power or for maximum bucket rotation, so that it can square end a trench. This second position also ensures the material is kept in the bucket when loading trucks. JCB can supply many sizes of bucket, from a 230mm trench bucket or a 914mm high-capacity bucket to a 1.5-meter grading bucket. Whatever the job, JCB will have the bucket you need. Optional hydraulic circuits allow a variety of different attachments to be used on the backhoe. Anything from a rock breaker to a patch planer, or a hydraulic quick hitch. A quick hitch lets the operator change attachments quickly and easily. The optional hand tool circuit allows an operator to run a variety of portable tools, ranging from a water submersible pump to a handheld jackhammer. The comprehensive range of options and attachments ensure that JCB Backhoe Loader is a truly versatile machine. Options for the JCB Backhoe Loader include JCB Extra Dig, a sliding 1.2-meter dipper extension that achieves a substantial increase in dig depth, reach and load over height. Its design has also been optimized to ensure the best possible lift capacity at full extension. JCB Extra Dig also has dedicated hydraulics, thereby improving actions such as grading the side of a slope. Being able to side shift the backhoe means it is easy to dig close to a wall and to reposition the digging arm without moving the machine, while the wide chassis of the machine provides a very stable working platform.